Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I wanted to talk to you today about Woobles. I absolutely love the Woobles. They are super cool. I'm going to put a link in the description box to the Woobles. I know some people don't like them, but I love them. I think they are so totes adorable. They're really cute. They're super tiny and small. I love Woobles. They are super cute. I've got a little 10 wee woobly bits. In here I've got, I can open it up. There we go. I've got a bunch of my Wooble eyeballs. I love these things. They're super cute. So I've got a bunch of Woobles to show you that I've purchased. And I actually have the Wooble Advent, which I'll be showing this December. But I bought the book. Now, I bought the book on Amazon. It was way cheaper than getting the book from the Woobles website. So this is the book. It is a large hardback book, and it's got a bunch of the patterns in it. So I'm going to show you which patterns are included. So the first thing I'm going to show you is right here. Starts on this page. And the first section, which goes from here to here, is nothing but instructions on how to do crochet and amigurumi. What you need, and just, you know, how to make circle. Obviously, the instructions, and they are very good pictorials. Extremely good pictorials in this section. Everything about stuffing it to closing it up. It's amazing. So here are some of the patterns that you get. This is super cute. So you get the peas in the pod, you get the otters, you get the lovebirds, and you get some pears. And they are super, super cute. So that's the first one. And here is the second one. You get the mobile, which has the planet, the rocket, the star, and the astronaut. You get this little stork with the bag. You get the little frog teething ring. You get the bumblebee, and that blanket or playmat with the lamb. It's super cute. It is adorable. Let me go on to it. There's the mobile. That is so sweet. And there's the lamb. That is super sweet and cute. Love, love, love that. And then onward we go. And you get the cactus, the mushroom, the koala, that'll hug something, an octopus, and way down here is a cat, which you can store things on, like stitch markers or whatnot, and that's so cute. And then onward, you get these ones, which is so cute, the sloth, the dragon, the little puppy with the cake on top, and of course the cupcake bear, which is so cute. It's got icing on his head. So they are some adorable, adorable patterns. Absolutely love them. So all these patterns are in here, and the patterns themselves have pick tutorials with them. So to make it super simple for someone, definitely have picture tutorials to make it really easy. But it is a big book, really. Very surprised for it. I think on Amazon it was like $22, $23, so it wasn't bad. You can also find it at Better World Books as well. So I really, really love that. I would show you the Advent, but it is completely sold out, so there's no way you can get it. Definitely will be going through the Advent when it comes to December. And I do have quite a few Woobles. So I have the ghosts for Pac-Man. They are limited edition. And what you get in a Wooble kit, these are just, only thing you don't get is scissors. You get a hook. Now, with some of them, you're going to get a hook that's designed, not all of them, usually limited edition kits. You get a hook that's designed for that limited edition kit. Now, the regular kits, like the Frog kit, it just had a plain blue hook. But this one has a Pac-Man hook, which is super cute. And as I dig in, I'm going to pull out Pac-Man yarn. It's actually red. It looks a little orange on my screen. Sorry about that. And you see the stitch markers there because they started the ring for me, which is super cool. I actually undo that and do magic ring. But I love the fact that they start it for you. And this yarn is actually not bad. Not bad. Softer than Red Heart Super Saver, but it's not bad yarn. It is like a tube, if you can tell. It is like a tube yarn, but it flattens when you're crocheting with it, so it's not bad to work with. And you'll also get, because it's got eyes, you'll get a bit of white. And I know there's going to be a bit of blue. You get your stuffing. Believe me, this is packed in here. When you open it, it blows out. Boom. And let's get the, oh, there's the envelope. I'll show that to you and make sure that's all that's in there. Okay. So there'll be an envelope. And I'll go ahead and open my envelope. And in my envelope is the blue eyes. And they always give you like an extra just in case. And the backs. And there is a darning needle and it's metal, which I really, really love about that. And there's a card. Now, on the card, it has a code. So I can go to the website and get the pattern. And there's a pattern and a video tutorial. So it's real easy to make. See? It's awesome. So I love that about these. So I'm going to put my things back in my envelope so I don't lose them. That way I could make Blinky. And I'm going to show you another one, because these are so cool. So I don't want to lose Blinky's bits, but you get all the little bits in an envelope, which is easy to keep and store. So basically you could have all your bits in your envelope that it comes in, and which would be great. You got all your bits in here, you know, and your crochet hook comes in here. Then all you've got to do is grab a pair of scissors or clippers and throw them in there, and it's on the go package. You know, you could just pull up it has a QR code or a written code, and then while you're on the go, you've got a package in your vehicle with you that you can sit there and do a little wiggle. So that's one. I'm going to pull my box down that I store them in. And there's an orange one. And it has the same things in it. And there's Pac-Man. And there's a pink one. And a blue one. And of course there's a mini one. This one is the cherries. And I'll show you about this one. One moment. Get this one open for you. Because this is a mini pack. The mini pack does not come with a hook. but it comes with all the other goodies in it. So I'll show you how the mini packs come. They're much cheaper too than the bigger packs. Now when you buy the bigger pack, you don't have to buy the hook with it. That's up to you. The hook is just $5 more when you're buying it on the website. I'm doing this without really looking. Oh my. Just want to make sure I don't cut my yarn. Which is super cool. Okay. So this is a mini pack. And in the mini pack, you've got your yarn, which this is red, not orange. It just looks that way. It's the red and the stem color. And you've got your card. And it's got the codes and stuff on the back. And you've got your polyfill. So with this one, you need to put it with one of your other bigger kits so that you'll have your needle and your scissors and your hook. So that gives you an idea. So this is red and brown. There you go, red and brown for the cherries. And that goes in there with the card so I don't lose it. Just so that you can pull the code up. Alright, that was my cherries. And then you've got this one, and this one glows in the dark. And I think I've got the hook around here somewhere. But anyway, I had, there it is. And the funny thing is, the ghosts on this one, on this hook, glow in the dark too. Yeah, I pulled the hook out. The ghosts on this glow in the dark, which is super cool. But I love it, and the yarn glows in the dark as well. Now, I've had the yarn in the bag, so it's not going to glow. But the yarn is glow in the dark yarn. But it's the same Wooble yarn. But this glows in the dark, which is so cool. And it has all the same bits in it that you need, which I absolutely love. It's the stuffing's in the way, so I love that. And being froggy, I had to buy the froggy one. He comes with the same stuff, only his hook is a plain blue handle. But you know, I had to buy him. So I bought all of these ones, and I bought them myself with my own money. I like working on them. They've been a lot of fun. I bought some other Halloween ones that I've already done and given to people because they were just too much fun. I kept my little pumpkin one though. But the Woobles are actually a whole lot of fun, so, you know, give them a try. You know, they're really a whole lot of fun. I think they would be fun for some beginners. It just depended on how interested they would be in doing it. But I think they would need the tutorial to do it with. I don't know. I don't have any beginners to try them with because all my kids know how to crochet. I haven't asked any beginners to try it, but I absolutely love them. They now have the Peanuts gang, so they have Snoopy and Woodstock, and an outfit for Woodstock and a few outfits for Snoopy. And they also have some Christmas ones available right now on the website. So I'm going to go ahead and link that down below. If you click the link, you'll get $5 off, and I hope you enjoy that. So in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.